Hi students, good morning to all. So today we continue cubes and cube roots. So last class we find out cube root by successive subtraction method by sequence 1, 7, 19, etc. So now today we have to find out cube root by prime factorization. So example number 4, find the cube root of the following numbers using the prime factorization method. So prime factorization method will be using only prime numbers. So the first question 6,36,056. So I just take, so the end of the digits it seems to be 6. So 6 means you take 2. So how many times? The first digit is 6 greater than 2. So 3 times. So second one is greater than 2. So how many times? Only 1 times, remaining 1. So what now you get? 16. So 16 means 8 times. So 0, you take it as same. So 5. How many times? 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So it becomes 2 times, but it remains 1. So now it becomes 16. So 16 means 8 times. So again a number ends with 8, even number. So we can take 2 again. So first one, 1 2 is 2. But we need 3, we get only 2. So remaining 1. So 11. So 11 means here 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10, not 11. So again remains 1. So now it becomes 18. So 18 means it's become 9 times. So 2 9s are 18. Okay. So next 0, it is impossible. You take it as 0 times. Okay. So 2 1 times and then 8 4 times. Again we need to take 2 because a number unit digit is even number. So 2. So you take the first one. First one is smaller than 2. So you can move with the second digit. The first time you can take 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, whatever it is you can take. So now it becomes 15. So 15 means 8 times it goes to 16, but 7 times it goes to 14. We need a 15, but it remains 1. So 7 times 14, remaining 1. So now it becomes 19. So 19 means again 9 times means 18, remaining 1. So 5 2s are 10. So now you can see 1. So 1 is unable to divisible by 2. Okay, 1 is smaller number. So we need this 4. So what is the condition? You need to add 1 0 and take this digit. Now it becomes 14. How many times? 7 times. So you can see now it becomes 79,507. A number ends with the odd number. So we can't divisible with 2. So now you check with the prime numbers. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 19, etc. So here you can see it seems to be checking with the prime numbers. So this one can be divisible by 43. So directly you go with normal divisible method. So 79,507 it can be divisible by 43. So 43 ones are 43 and 43 twos are 86. So listen, so 1 times. Now we subtract 9 minus 3, it becomes 6 and 3. So we take a 5, you get 365. Just you multiple a tens digit with any other number. 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 8. So 8 4s are 32, 9 4s are 36. So 9 it becomes sharply 36. So now we check with the 8. So 8 3s are 24, remaining 2. 8 4s are 32. 8 3s are, so 344. So now you subtract, it becomes 5 minus 4, 1 and 6 minus 4, 2. So now we take 110. So in the same way you can take 5. 5 means 5 4s are 20. So 20 means, now we check with the before a number 4. So 43 into 4 you get 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. So 43 into 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 remaining 1, 5 4s are 20, so 215. So here we get 210 only, so we move with the 4 times. So 43 into 4, you get 172. So now you subtract it, so it is impossible to subtract 2 from 0. So now you borrow from this one So 1 becomes 0, then 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 2, 8. So now it is impossible subtract 7 from 0. You borrow from 2. So 2 1 becomes 1 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 7, it seems to be 3. Okay. So now we take another one 7, 387. So now we check which number you need to take. 9 4s are 36. Okay, so we need to take a 9. So 9 3s are 27, 7 remaining to 9 4s are 36, 38. So we get 0. So how many times it becomes? 1849. 1849. So sometimes this type of difficult sum it's happened. Okay, again we go with the 43. So 184. 184 is not come. So we need to take this 172 with the 4 times. So 4 times 172. 184 is there. So remaining 12. So it seems to be 129. It seems to be 129. So 129 it comes from 3 times. So again 43 comes only 1 time. So now you need to find out cube root of 6,36,056, which is equal to cube root of, you write all the factors. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 43 into 43 into 43. So now it becomes we need to take 1 out of 3. So 2 into 43, which is equal to 86. 2 into 43, which is equal to 86. Therefore the cube root of 6,36,056 by using prime factorization, you get 86 is the answer. So next we move on to second. So now we move on to second question. 9,261 by prime factorization. So a number ends with 1, it is unable to divisible by 2. You just add this 9 plus 2, 11, 17, 18. So it is very easy to divisible by 3. So 3 means how many times? 3 times. And 2 it is impossible. You put 0 and take this 6, 26, 8 times. And remaining 2, 7 3s are 21. So 3 1s are 3, 0, 3 2s are 6, and 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, and 3 3s are 9. So 343 is divisible by it's 4 3 7 plus 3 10. So 343 divisible by 7th table. So how many times? 4 times. 28 remaining 6. 9 7s are 63. 7 times. So when you reach 1, you stop it. Now you go with the cube root. You write all the factors. 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 7. So now you can see what is meant by cube root. You need to take a 1 from this triplet. So this is a triplet. You need to take a take 1 from this triplet. Okay, you take 1 from this triplet. So out of this 3 triplet, we take only 1. Out of this triplet, we take only 1. So 3 7s are 21 is the answer. So cube of 21 is nothing but 9,261. Cube root of 9,261 is 21. So third question, 91,125. So it is very easy to identify the divisible number. A number ends with 5, you take 5. So 9 is greater number, so you take 5 table. 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. So 10 is greater, so we take only 1 times. So remaining 4 is there. So now it becomes 41. 41 means it takes 8 times. 8 times means remaining 1 is there. 11. 11 means 5 2s are 10. So we take 2 times, remaining 1. Again we need to take 2 times. So it leave remaining 2 and it become 25. Again it 5 times. So again we need to take 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. So 20 is greater than 18. Why we take 18? So here 1 is smaller, so we need to take 8. So now first we take 18. So how many times? 5 fours are 20. So 4 times it's greater, so we need to take 3 times. So 5 threes are 15, remaining 3. 32. So 32 means again we continue the table. 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35. So you go with this 7 times, it's larger. So 6 times it leaves 30. Again it leaves 2. So 4 times 4 fives are 20 and again 2. So 5 fives are 25. So same way you need to do this process. So 36, 7 times 7 fives are 35, remaining 1. 2 fives are 10 and 9 fives are 45. 729. So now you can check with the divisibility rule. Divisibility rule 7 plus 2 9 plus 9 18. So we take 3. So 3 is a prime number. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So 2 times we take means remaining 1 and 3 fours are 12. So 4 times 3 threes are 9. So 243. So 243 is also divisible by 3. So 80, this one we take it as how many times? 8 times. 8 threes are 24 and 1 3 is 3. 2 threes are 6, 7 threes are 21. 9 times we take 27 and 3 threes are 9. 1. So now we go with the cube root to find the cube root of 91,125 is equal to cube root of, so how many factors? 1 2 3. So 3 5, 1 triplet of 5 and then 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now you make a triplet. So this is one triplet, 1 2 3, and this one set of triplet 1 2 3, and this one set of triplet. So how many triplet is there? 3 triplet and 2 different triplets. So first triplet 5 is there, we take only 1 5, and second triplet we take 1 3, and third triplet we take 1. So now you multiple this 3, 5 3 is 15, 15 into 3 you get 45. Okay, so cube root of 91,125 is 45. So next we move on to example number 5. So example 5, find the cube root of 343 into 125. So you need to take a solution. First you take this question 343 into 125. So separately you need to find out the cube root. So cube root of 343 is equal to, and then cube root of 125 is equal to. So you go to the, you no need to take prime factorization or any division method. You just go to rough work column. In rough work, how you find out means by using the digits. So you can see 343. So 3 means what is the unit digit of square cube root? It seems to be 7. So next what you need to do, you need to strike a 3 digit, that means ones, tens, 100. Remaining there is no value, so it seems to be 0 in a tens place. So what is the value? So cube root of 343 directly we know that by using it's 7. Okay, and next 125. So 125 unit digit of 5, it's become cube root is also 5. So now you cancel this 3 terms, there is remaining no term is there, it becomes 0, the value is 5. So cube root of 125. So this calculation you do it in your rough work, directly you write the answer. So cube root of 343 is 7, cube root of 125 is 5. So now you can take cube root of 343 into 125 is equal to cube it seems to be which one? 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. Okay. So cube root of 343 into 125, which is equal to 35. So if you have any doubt means just you have to multiple and take prime factorization and check it. Okay. So next we move on to example number 6. Example 6, find the value of 1000 divided 1331. So in the before sum we go with the multiplication, here division, so but the concept is same. Okay, so 1000 can be divisible by 1331. It seems to be how it comes written, cube root of 1000 divided by 1331. This one can be written as cube root of 1000 divided by cube root of 1331. So by using that shortcut method you need to write. Okay, so cube root of 1000 you need to find out the value, and next cube root of 1331 you need to write the answer. So here you can see how you split this one by using exponents and powers. Now, last time you learned about exponents and power. So a by b whole power m, how you can written? So a power m divided by b power m. The same way square root of a by b, how you written? Root a divided by root b. So whatever it is square root or cube root, it can be split like this. Okay, so by using this method we have to do like this. Now you go to the refer column, you take 1000. So you see the unit digit 0 means in the answer cube root is also 0. What next thing? You need to strike out 3 ones, tens, 100. What is the value? Remaining is 1. So 1 is nothing but 1 cube, the value is 1. So answer 10. Okay, so fastly you need to make a calculation by using shortcut method. So 1331. So 1 means the unit digit is 1. Now next strike out 1, 2, 3. So value is 1. You need to compare with the cube tables, means 1 cube which is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1. The value is 1. Tens place is also 1. Answer is 11. So now we get the value 10 by 11. So what is the value? Cube root of 1000 divided by 1331, which is equal to 10 by 11.
Thank you for watching our channel. This video உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுனா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.